put all my money again.
What do you do when your money runs out faster than you can say talent? It's time to master financial literacy in a fun and exciting way.
Introducing Business Empire, the game that turns financial literacy into an adventure. Our target audience, students aged from 8 to 16 years old, schools and financial literacy clubs. Over 60% of young people lack basic financial knowledge, that is why there is an increasing need for education projects. We use a B2C and B2B model, selling directly to families and partnering with schools to integrate financial education into the curriculum.
Our biggest advantage, an interactive approach. Unlike boring theoretical courses, Business Empire immerses you in real-life situations. First edition is funded by a charity foundation, so everyone can take their first chance in financial literacy.
Special thanks go to our partners Kovolaba Kharkiv, who provided their professional equipment to manufacture unique game chips. And we would like to give big thanks to the fast food chain Buffet for providing the location for our film.